Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. Today I'm going to talk about some fake videos you are seeing on YouTube. There are so many videos that people say they are making super glue at home with acetone and plastic foam just like this. Some people use this plastic foam and use pure acetone. Also some people use gasoline and they say they are making very strong super glue, but I will show you that it's all of them are fake videos. Don't try to do at home and don't waste your time. These are not true. With the plastic foam and acetone and also with the gasoline, that the material you are going to produce is not a it's not a real glue, so it doesn't work. And I will show you how we will do the so-called super glue, and we will see if it is work or not. Now let's look at our project and try to produce some super glue. For making the super glue, only a few things we are going to need. The first one is acetone, pure acetone. I'm going to use pure acetone. You can also use gasoline, but acetone is more transparent and it's evaporate more quickly. So if you use acetone, you will get better results. I will just put a little bit acetone in a glass. And after that, I am going to put some plastic foam, styrofoam, into the acetone, and it will melt into the acetone. You see, it is melted inside it. We'll just add some more. Well, I think this is enough. Now we are going to stir the solution very well. Okay, I will put my glue into this plastic container. You see how it looks like. Okay, we finish our project. Now, as you see, it's ready to use. You can use in any application. It's a very nice, very strong super glue. Now we will test it. I have a few things here to stick them together. First, I will stick two plastic together. Just apply a little bit glue on that. Okay, we need to wait until it dry. Okay. And I have two another pieces of plastic. I will apply some super glue on these plastics. Yeah, just a little bit put. Just apply on that. As you see. and I have to wait for them to completely dry. Now after 20 minutes the super glue completely dry. Now we will see if it's work or not. We have just stick two plastic sheets with the super glue. Now we will look at if they are stick together strongly. As you see, it doesn't work. Just you see the material on the plastic and it doesn't work. It doesn't stick anything together. Now look at the dried form of the super glue. Now it's just look like something like that, and it looks like a plastic, and but it doesn't really work, and it doesn't stick anything together. Now look at the other part. As you see, with stick these two plastic together. Now as you see, they are not stick together and it doesn't work. So all of the videos on YouTube, they say we produce high quality super glue. Please don't believe them and don't waste your time. It's just fake videos. It doesn't work. So, and I just want to show you that all of those videos are fake. Don't believe them and don't waste your time at home. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and take care of yourself. See you in the next videos, my friend.